Kuwaiti Dinar. The Kuwaiti dinar is the most valuable currency in the world relative to the US dollar, and this is the result of several powerful factors. Kuwait holds some of the largest oil reserves in the world, and a significant part of its economy is based on oil exports. This creates a steady inflow of foreign currency, which naturally strengthens the national one. The government also maintains strict control over monetary policy, preventing sharp exchange rate fluctuations. Kuwait has a relatively small population, but very high income per capita, which further supports the strength of its currency. In addition, the country has accumulated massive financial reserves that can be used during times of crisis. Kuwait also operates one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds, investing globally in sectors such as real estate and technology. This means the country earns not only from oil, but also from international investments. With minimal external debt and strong financial management, the Kuwaiti dinar remains not only expensive, but also highly stable. Bahraini Dinar. Although Bahrain is smaller than Kuwait, its currency is also very strong due to oil revenues. However, what makes Bahrain unique is its economic diversification. The country has developed strong banking, insurance, and investment sectors, making it a key financial hub in the region. A high volume of financial activity creates consistent demand for the local currency. The Bahraini dinar is also pegged to the US dollar, which ensures stability and predictability. In addition, Bahrain invests heavily in fintech and digital banking, strengthening its position as a modern financial center. This combination of traditional and innovative sectors keeps its currency among the most valuable in the world. Omani Rial. The Omani Rial demonstrates how a country can balance a traditional resource-based economy with modern reforms. While oil and gas remain key sources of income, the government is actively investing in infrastructure, ports, and tourism. This diversification reduces dependence on a single resource. The rial is pegged to the US dollar, which helps maintain stability and avoid currency crises. Oman takes a cautious approach to financial changes, implementing reforms gradually. This careful strategy has allowed the rial to maintain its high value over time. The country is also developing maritime logistics, using its strategic location between Asia and Europe to create additional revenue streams. Jordanian dinar. Jordan is one of the most interesting cases on this list because it has very limited natural resources. Despite this, its currency remains strong due to sound economic policy. The central bank carefully manages the exchange rate and maintains confidence in the currency. Jordan benefits from tourism, international aid, and remittances sent by citizens working abroad. These sources create a steady inflow of foreign currency. Its strategic location in the Middle East also strengthens its role as a trade and political partner. The Jordanian dinar proves that a strong currency can exist even without natural resources.
British pound sterling. The British pound is not just a currency, it is a symbol of global economic history. For centuries, it was one of the leading currencies in international trade. Today, London remains one of the largest financial centers in the world, hosting major banks, investment funds, and stock exchanges. The pound is widely used in international transactions, creating constant demand. The UK economy is one of the largest globally, with advanced industries, technology, and a strong service sector. The country's legal and financial systems are considered among the most reliable in the world, attracting global investors. London's financial markets operate around the clock, processing transactions from all over the world. Even after major political changes, the pound remains strong thanks to the UK's flexible economy and global influence. It is also widely held as a reserve currency, further reinforcing its position.
Gibraltar pound. Gibraltar is a small territory with a highly advantageous location. Its currency is fully pegged to the British pound, making it stable and relatively valuable. Gibraltar is also known as a financial center, hosting many international companies. Despite its small economy, financial flows have a significant impact, supporting currency stability. The region has also developed a strong online business and gaming industry, generating additional revenue. Gibraltar was one of the early adopters of online gambling and digital services, which brought substantial income. Its high income per capita shows how even a small economy can sustain a strong currency through specialization.
The Cayman Islands dollar. The Cayman Islands are one of the most well-known offshore financial centers in the world. Thousands of companies, banks, and investment funds are registered there. This creates a massive volume of financial activity and strong demand for the local currency. The economy relies heavily on financial services and tourism. The government maintains a stable and transparent financial system, attracting investors from around the world. Despite its small population, billions of dollars flow through the islands every day, making the Cayman Islands a key player in global finance.
Swiss franc. The Swiss franc is known as a safe haven currency. During times of global uncertainty, investors often move their money into Swiss francs. This is due to Switzerland's political stability, strong economy, and reliable banking system. The country is also known for its neutrality in international conflicts. Low inflation and high levels of trust make the franc one of the most stable currencies in the world. Switzerland is also a leader in high-tech industries, including watchmaking, pharmaceuticals, and engineering. Wealthy individuals from around the world store assets in Swiss banks, creating constant demand for the currency. During crises, the franc often strengthens while other currencies weaken. Euro. The euro is a unique currency used by multiple countries. Its strength depends on the combined economies of the Eurozone, including major players like Germany and France. This makes it one of the most important currencies in the world. The euro is widely used in international trade and finance. Its large user base and economic scale give it significant global influence. Despite economic challenges in some member countries, the euro remains stable thanks to coordinated policies and the role of the European Central Bank. US dollar. The US dollar is not just a currency, it is the foundation of the global economy. Most international transactions, from oil to technology, are conducted in dollars. Its dominance began after World War II, when the United States became the world's leading economic power, and this status continues today. One of the main reasons for the dollar's strength is trust. Investors view the United States as a stable country with a powerful economy and strong institutions. Central banks around the world hold large reserves of dollars, ensuring constant demand. The scale of the U.S. economy is another key factor. It is home to many of the world's largest companies, especially in the technology sector. The United States also has the largest stock markets, attracting investors globally who trade in dollars. The dollar is widely used even outside the United States. In some countries, people store their savings in dollars to protect against inflation, while in others, it is used alongside the local currency, a phenomenon known as dollarization. The dollar is also the primary currency used in global oil trade, which forces countries to hold dollar reserves. Decisions made by the Federal Reserve influence financial markets worldwide. Even though the dollar is not the most expensive currency, its global role makes it the most important. Bermudian dollar. Bermuda is a small island territory with a stable economy based on tourism and financial services. Its currency is pegged to the US dollar, ensuring stability. The country is also a global center for insurance and reinsurance companies. A high volume of financial transactions supports demand for the currency. Bermuda's stable political system and high standard of living further strengthen its economy. Singapore dollar.
Singapore is one of the world's leading financial centers. Its economy is built on trade, technology, and finance. Its strategic location makes it a major global trade hub. The government carefully manages the currency to maintain stability. High investor confidence supports the Singapore dollar, making it one of the strongest currencies in the world. Despite having few natural resources, Singapore has become one of the richest countries through smart economic policies and innovation.
Important explanation. An expensive currency does not always mean a strong economy, and this is a key point that many people misunderstand. The value of a currency depends on many factors, including government policy, money supply, and exchange rate management. For example, the US dollar is not the most expensive currency, but it is the most widely used, making it the most influential. Many of the most valuable currencies belong to oil-rich countries, where export revenues help maintain strong exchange rates. In addition, some countries actively control or peg their currencies to ensure stability. This means that a high exchange rate is often the result of strategy, resources, and economic control rather than pure economic strength.
If you enjoy the content, you can support the channel via the link in the description or by using this QR code. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about what I should make the next video about.